Today let us make whole wheat banana bars.
Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. So let's get baking.
Let's start by first mashing 60 gram banana, approx half a banana. Then add it in a bowl. Further add 35 gram caster sugar, 15 gram yogurt. Using a hand whisk, I am going to mix till the sugar gets dissolved. Now add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract and 18 gram oil and mix everything together. Now place a sieve and add 45 gram whole wheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt. Now sieve it all and add it in wet ingredients. You can replace whole wheat flour with same quantity of all-purpose flour also, but I am going to use it to make it a bit healthier. Now add 15 gram each chopped walnuts and almonds and mix slightly. Finally add 20 ml milk and mix everything together till no flour is visible. Now transfer the batter to a pre-lined tin. Here I am using a 5-inch tin. Smooth the batter to get even rise and smooth surface on top. Tap it on a counter a couple of times to help release trapped air bubble. Then bake this in a preheated oven at 170°C for 12 to 14 minutes until a skewer inserted in the middle comes out clean.
Please like the video, also subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe.
Let it cool down slightly, then transfer on a wire rack to cool completely. After it has cooled down, I am going to slice into half and look at the texture from inside. Now slice the sponge into 8 rectangles. Flip them on one side so that we can fill it with chocolate ganache on border. For making chocolate ganache, take 50 gram of cream and heat it up. In this, add 100 gram of dark chocolate chopped. Mix them and here you have your chocolate ganache. Keep in the refrigerator till it sets a little. Use it to pipe the border of these banana bars. Then fill the inside with dry caramel. I have already shared its recipe on my channel along with other way you can make caramel. I will post the link of the video in description box below. Now sandwich the filling by placing banana sponge on top. Insert a square in center and place in a freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. This will help while coating it with chocolate. Here I have 150 gram melted dark chocolate. Add half teaspoon oil, flavorless oil and mix. Now add 12 gram chopped walnut and mix. This will give white and nice flavor. Now dip our freeze banana bars in the chocolate and coat it well from all sides. See how inserting a square helps in coating the bars with chocolate properly. Keep in the refrigerator till the chocolate coat sets. Remove the skewer carefully by rotating it once the chocolate has set. Drizzle with caramel, that is optional. Let us slice into it and look from inside. These are easy to make and are absolutely delicious. Do try this at home. Thank you for watching. Spoiled by Coco.